In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize your WordPress website for mobile devices. As the world increasingly turns to mobile for browsing and shopping, it's crucial to ensure your website is ready to meet these demands. Let's dive right into it, starting with selecting your theme. You'll want to go for a mobile-friendly, responsive theme. This type of theme is crucial because it automatically adjusts to various screen sizes, making sure your website remains usable across all devices. Some of the popular choices that you might consider include Astra and Generate Press. When browsing themes, keep an eye out for those labeled as mobile friendly and steer clear of bulky themes that come loaded with features you may not need, as these can bog down performance. Next, let's talk about image optimization. Converting images to modern formats like WebP can significantly improve your site's performance because these formats offer better compression without compromising on quality. Implement lazy loading so that images only appear as they come into view on the screen. This technique dramatically reduces initial load